Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, here we have an impulse in the yellow count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing an impulse as a wave 1 or a wave A. After both case scenario, you would like to see 3 corrective waves toward the downside, finishing a wave 2 or finishing a wave B. In that case scenario, you are in an A, B, and a C zigzag, of course, for a 1-to-1 fib level at target 4,157. Of course, those targets are a logarithmic, I would like to mention. Now, of course, it can be like the linear target, which is at 895, but that means, of course, you will take only the high with a few dollars above it. However, I think that, because the crypto market moves on the logarithmic, always moves, I think that it is very possible to get, of course, a second wave C with the same amount starting from the wave B. And as you can see, anyway, the high moves with high percentage is always existing in the crypto market. Therefore, yes, I believe that we can reach the 4,157 for a wave C soon or later. Now, looking at this wave C, how it can unfold, of course, you need 5 impulsive waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this latest price action, we have finished an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1, and we are currently looking for a wave 2. Your wave 2 should be a corrective wave in 3, of course, waves as A, B, and a C. We have finished first our impulse toward the downside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Of course, a very small wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. A, B, C as a correction, and still looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. To reach at least the minimum required time for a wave 2 taken from the start of your wave 1 till the end of your wave 1, giving minimum requirement time, of course, for a wave 2 at the 0.38. Meaning that a wave 2 needs still much more time to be finished, which is probably at the 23 January of this year. Now, of course, the most common time for a wave 2 is a 0.618, which can be as well at February 2025. So basically, of course, we still need some time to unfold, and very clear that this wave 2 even is not finished. We have a wave A, 3 corrective wave, and still need one more big impulse toward the downside. We saw already a big impulse, which is already your wave 1, probably 2, 3, 4, and a 5, to reach this area that we have as a perfect area, of course, after the perfect common time, and of course for the common fib levels between 0.618 and 0.786. By all means, on the 1 hour chart, I would say we are still in a wave C formation, meaning that we are still, of course, now in the wave 1 of a wave C, and I would like to label this, of course, as a finished impulse toward the downside, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, these are the readings for this impulse here. We are possibly in the bottom of this impulse, maybe still one more leg, or a little bit more lower, and then moving for higher prices again for a wave 2. Everything is possible. Let me check. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We have double 4, 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then 4, 5. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 then, and then 4, 5. Right? So, basically we have finished. This impulse, we are looking for a wave 2 right now, a little bit higher prices. However, let's get a fib level for your wave 2 here. Preferably your wave 2 would reach, of course, the green box here, between the 0.618 and the 0.786. This is a perfect target, of course. Now, if you would like to have also fib time here, we can do this as well. If this is your wave 1, preferably this is your wave 1. For a wave 2 here, we would like to reach, of course, the 0.618, the minimum, not minimum, the common target. Now, the 0.38 also is an option. For the time here, let's move this. Here we go. So that is also possible to reach it even before, which is of course in 10 January. Yeah, so very possible this area that we want to reach, of course, in the next yeah, move toward the upside. Yeah, it should be also a ABC, of course, a three ways toward the upside, and then continuation, of course, for an impulse toward the downside. So let us trace this possibility here as it three waves up, and here we go in green. Yep. So yeah, that's it for TAO. And yeah, to recap, we are still looking, of course, for a continuation for a wave C. However, your wave C cannot just move in one single leg directly. We need a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. I would like to mention as well that yeah, very possibly as well to reach the minimum requirement at 0.38 fib level. However, yeah, don't forget that the time also is very important. That was it for a TAO price prediction. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.